Hello community, I've got an important announcement about the workshop that's on tomorrow. So the big boss, Pedra, smacked me on the hand and said, Jeannie, the free resources, so that is that you get a conversion resource valued at $1,000. It is very, very high value. And you also get a copy of my slides as a PDF to use as a workbook forever. You need to come to the event to get those. So what I had said during the week is, just register and you'll get the resources. So the big boss tells me, no, the resources are a reward and a special gift for the people who turn up to the free training event, okay? So tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., sorry, not tomorrow, Friday. Oh my goodness. It has been busy here at the Strategic Bookkeeper. I've been working a lot for months now to prepare everything that my beautiful tribe need and want. So apologies for losing my days. So this Friday, the workshop is this Friday, it is Wednesday. And so this Friday, 9:30 a.m., this is a free training workshop. I really like to reiterate that this is not an event. It's not, a complete monologue. It is me turning up with my trainer and assessor hat on, yeah? And those of you who have seen me in training mode before, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to turn up. I've got incredibly high value content that takes me a long time to prepare, yeah? And I turn up in order to train you in how to build and maintain a highly profitable practice, okay? So as a reward for turning up, yeah, because with action comes results, with no action comes procrastination, yeah? So if you are willing to back yourself and go for it, to turn up on Friday morning or Thursday night if it is the Northern Hemisphere, then you will get access to the free resources, okay? So the conversion resource and the workbook, which is my slides as a PDF, that includes 12 key attraction strategies and more, okay? So the other thing I might tell you about the Profit First workshop, so the how to build and maintain a highly profitable practice, is you've got the three big keys, right? I've talked about those already. That is marketing, selling, and management. What is marketing, selling, and management? There is a concept that I would love for you to embrace now. And I was on one of our implementers with the tribe yesterday, and I loved it. I kind of asked this question, and one of the tribes said, when I talked about front end, back end, win the work, do the work. And I was like, yes. So, we can talk about marketing and selling and brand and delivery and management, but the way I would love you to think of it is the two sides of your business is win the work, do the work. Yeah, win the work, do the work. So in terms of marketing and selling, that is on the win the work side. Yeah, and actually I want you to think of the win the work side like a Picasso. Yeah, it's very creative. We're throwing paint at a canvas. The customer journey in itself is a windy road with twists and turns and roundabouts where people come back, and yeah, very creative, a lot of moving parts. So this is the front end of your business, win the work. So I'd love for you to think of that now. Front end, yes, I see what Jeannie means. Yeah, the front end, yeah, where we walk through this business is where we win the work. Because if we don't win any work, we don't need a back end, yeah? So then the back end of your business is do the work, yeah? All the stuff around do the work. Now, I'm calling that management. Everything has the meaning that we give it, yeah? So in terms of management, this is what does manage mean? It means plan, organize, staff, direct, and control. I don't know about you, but I manage because I have to, not because I want to. That said, my right hand Jo is an exquisite manager, and I would like to think that she really enjoys management. We all enjoy what we're great at, what our zone of genius is. I like to be a leader more than I like to be a manager. But in terms of management, think about that for a minute, because it is 5 key areas of focus. They are non-negotiable and they are zero tolerance. That is plan, organize, staff, direct, and control. Yeah. And everything is going to fit into those in the back end there. So, you know, there's the day-to-day business administration. Sounds like office stuff, but it's not. It is the administration of the business. Everything falls apart without really great business administration, right? So this is what we are covering off in the workshop, in the training event. We're covering off win the work, do the work. Yeah. The brand, marketing, selling, all this stuff along with the back end. So front end, back end, win the work, do the work. So absolutely on Friday, you can expect me to cover off those subjects for you in the 2.5 hour free training workshop. I am an open book. Come along, ask me anything, and I really look forward to seeing you there.